The Judicial Conduct Tribunal hearing into the conduct of suspended Judge Tintswalo Makhubele continues today. Tensions were high at the hearing when it resumed yesterday. As we await the resumption of suspended Judge Nana Makhubele at the Judicial Conduct Tribunal, let's now talk to SABC senior news reporter Canny Maphanga. Canny, thank you so much for your time this morning. Perhaps let's start, about what transpired yesterday and just talk to us about what we can expect then today.
Well, good morning to you, Unati, and to the viewers at home. Indeed, what you can expect this morning here at the Capitol Park in Johannesburg is that the cross-examination of Judge Makhubele will continue in this venue from 10 a.m. The tribunal is probing allegations that she held dual positions of judge and a chair of an SOE board, PRASA, allegations that she strongly denies. Now, this all stems back from the JSC leg interviews, which was October 2017. She was part of a group that was successful in that leg of the interviews, and they were recommended to the Gauteng bench. Now, you may remember, Nati, when these interviews actually take place, it does take a bit of a month or a few weeks for the recommendation to be made and then the president to finally carry out that recommendation. So what we saw in that October 2017 interview is that I think it was the 5th of October, and then 2 weeks later, she was appointed by the then Transport Minister to be the chair of the PRASA board. And that also has quite an interesting story. She has come before this tribunal to say that she was approached by a neighbor about this post. She then handed over her CV and then found out on the news that she was the chair of the PRASA board. And then in November, the then president, former President Jacob Zuma, then makes the announcement that her, along with another group of successful candidates, would then go to the Gauteng bench as of 1 January 2018. Now, everybody else assumed their duties on that date except for Judge Makhubele. So the cross-examination now is dealing with this issue of the mid-January 2018 meeting that she had with two senior judges of the Gauteng division, that is the Deputy Judge President, Aubrey Ledwaba, and the Judge President, Mlambo, where they cornered her basically to extract information about this PRASA appointment that they had learnt about in the news. And we've heard through the affidavit that was led out by the evidence leader, Advocate Pava, that they tried to persuade her to resign from that position. However, allegedly, she refused to resign, saying that she did not want to disappoint the then Transport Minister.
All right, Canny, thank you so much for that. We'll obviously be monitoring developments there as we continue to look at the judiciary. That was a senior reporter there, Canny Maphanga, for us.